And hey, well, this is Francisco from DrFone Virtual Location. And if you're an avid Pokemon Go player, then you must know how difficult the current circumstances have made it to play the game properly. However, what if I told you that there's a solution, or I should say a few solutions, to fix that very problem? Well, here I've actually got 4 methods of safely spoofing your location so that you can play Pokemon Go from home to the fullest extent. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Make sure to give us a like, and if you have any questions, then do make sure to ask any of them down in the comment section. And also, do not forget to share this video if you find it useful, and do subscribe for more content just like this moving forward. Now let's get right into it. So there are going to be 4 methods of safely spoofing your location, and those are through a location simulator, using a separate app to spoof your location, fake your iOS GPS location by using a computer program, and jailbreaking your iPhone to fake your iOS GPS location. But as always, let's go ahead and begin with method number 1, and that is going to be faking your iOS GPS location with a location simulator. And if you wish to spoof your location on iPhone and even wish to show off to people the road between 2 different destinations, then the best that can help you is going to be DrFone Virtual Location for iOS. And with the help of this, you're not only just going to fake your location on iOS, but you can actually go ahead and simulate the movement between 2 and even multiple spots if you wanted to. And we're going to show you exactly how, so go ahead and have a look over here as I'm going to walk you through how to get this to work. So step 1, go ahead and launch the iOS GPS spoof tool on your PC, and then go to the virtual location tab when you enter the main interface. And now connect your iPhone to the computer and click on the get started option on the screen that you're going to see following right up. In the following window, the actual location can be easily found, and if you can't find it, then go ahead and click on the sensor on icon, which is going to be found at the lower right side, and the accurate location will be shown for you right then and there. From the 3 modes given to you at the upper right side of the screen, just go ahead and choose the 3rd one in order to activate the teleport mode, and then type in the name of the location in the field, and then once you're done with that, just go ahead and tap on go. With the system will get the location correctly, it's going to bring a small pop-up box in the screen, and it can tell you the distance of the answered locations and just tell you like how far away they are from one another. And go ahead and click on move here button. So yeah, congratulations. You have successfully faked a GPS location on an iOS device, and your iPhone will show the fake location now in the location-based apps. I know this is how it works and what you can do with it. After you launch this tool and start the process, you need to first hit on the first icon at the upper right corner in order to select the one-stop route. And then go ahead and choose the spot on the map where you want to move, and then you're going to notice a pop-up box informing you of the distance between the 2, and then choose the mode of speed that you want to use in order to walk. Like for instance, the cycling speed, if that's the kind of speed that you want this program to simulate for you, and then click on move from here, which is going to be right on the pop-up. And again, a pop-up will come where you have to enter a number, and this number will depict how many times you're going to be traveling between the 2 spots, so like if you're going to be going back and forth. And then once you're done with this, just go ahead and click on the march button, and the GPS spoofing on the iPhone and simulation of movement will begin right away. And you can track the movement, and the position will be seen moving with the speed that you choose previously, and then you're pretty much good to go from there. And then let's move on to method number 2. So jailbreaking can be an easy method, but a lot of people tend to avoid it. So if you wish to use an iPhone GPS spoof without a jailbreak, choosing this method will be a great idea, or just a great solution of going about it really. And using an app such as NordVPN, you will be able to fake the location on social media, thereby showing others that you are on vacation, for example, if you really wanted to. However, when it comes to Pokemon Go, you can use this to your advantage in order to make it seem like you're actually in a different place, and so that you can catch the Pokemon that are over in that location. And first things first, just go ahead and download the app onto your iPhone, and then install and launch it right after that. And once you've launched it, you need to tap on the on button at the bottom of the screen, and now you can just adjust the location and fake it from there, and then your entire phone is going to be fooled into thinking that you're actually in a totally different location if that's what you wanted to do. So method number 2 is going to be one of the simplest ones, which is essentially to go with a VPN in this case, with NordVPN being one of those examples. For method number 3, if you're not comfortable downloading an extra app on your phone in order to serve that purpose, and then the next method awaits you, and in order to fake your GPS location on an iPad or an iPhone is, for instance, by using a computer program named Xcode. And here I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to accomplish this using this program. Now to get the program installed and set up a dummy app, and start with heading to the App Store on your Mac and then search for the Xcode application and then begin the installation on your PC. After the app gets installed, you need to launch it, and then you're going to notice that the Xcode window on your screen. So subsequently, set up a fresh project followed by clicking on Single View Application, and then go ahead and click on Next. And then you can just provide a name for your project here and then click on Next one more time, and then proceed to set up the Git on Xcode. And now you're going to see a pop-up window on the next screen asking you to please tell me who you are. And also there are going to be some Git commands right here, and then just go ahead and launch the terminal on your Mac and then go along with the commands given right on screen. In this case, you would just make alterations to you@example.com and your name with your own information. And now ensure that you go ahead and set up a development team and then establish a connection between your iPhone and the Mac. And after this, just go ahead and select your device in the build device option. And while doing it, just go ahead and keep your device unlocked in order to ensure that it's going to be successfully done. And then when you do the entire thing accurately, you just need to stay for a little bit of time as the program will process the symbol files. And now go into the debug menu and follow this, hit on the simulate location, and you can choose the location according to your preferences right here. And then you're pretty much good to go from there. And lastly, let's get into method number 4. The next method in order to spoof your location on iPhone is by jailbreaking your device. And when you jailbreak your device, you get the opportunity to make changes to most of the native settings on your device. However, this method can give a lot of people a pretty hard time as it depends on the iOS version that you are using and just a lot of factors like it in between. And now we're going to be introducing the Anywhere app for this exact same purpose, and this can work on iOS 11 as well. So here's the guide for this, and here are going to be the steps for it, and hopefully it'll all work out for you. So step number 1, just go ahead and download the Anywhere location tracking on the Cydia app on your phone, and then install and launch the app from your home screen. And navigate for the location that you want to fake. And just go ahead and tap on it, and a red pin will appear on the address. And next up, I just go ahead and tap on the blue tab on the coming screen. And now you can just select the apps on which you wish to fake your GPS location on iOS. Now simply go ahead and open the selected app now, and then you can see the new location right on it, and it should be very easy to follow right after your device has already been jailbroken. And that's it. Those have been 4 methods of safely spoofing your iOS location in order to play Pokemon Go to the fullest. And if you like this video, leave us a like and comment any of your questions down below, and share this video with others if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this moving forward. So until next time, enjoy.